Hello, everyone, and welcome to USA Breaking News. Today's top story comes from the state of Maine, where Democratic Senate candidate Graham Plattner is facing intense political pressure after serious allegations surfaced against him. The controversy has quickly become one of the biggest political stories in the United States. Let's take a closer look. Main story: Graham Plattner, the Democratic nominee for the US Senate in Maine, is under increasing pressure after a woman publicly accused him of sexual assault. Plattner has denied the allegation and says it is false. Following the accusation, leaders of the Maine Democratic Party called on Plattner to withdraw from the Senate race. Several prominent Democratic leaders have also withdrawn their support, saying the allegations are serious and that the party should uphold high ethical standards while the matter unfolds. Political impact: the controversy has dramatically changed the race for the US Senate seat in Maine. If Plattner decides to leave the race, Democratic leaders would need to select a new candidate before state deadlines. Political analysts say this could reshape one of the most closely watched Senate contests of the 2026 election cycle. Republican Senator Susan Collins, who is seeking another term, is expected to continue her campaign while attention remains focused on developments involving Plattner. What Plattner says. In a public statement, Plattner denied the allegations against him. He also said he is reflecting on the future of his campaign, but has not announced a final decision about whether he will remain in the race. What happens next? The coming days will be critical. Voters, political leaders, and election officials will be watching closely to see whether Plattner stays in the race or steps aside. Regardless of the political outcome, the allegations themselves have not been proven in court, and Plattner continues to deny them. Any legal or electoral developments could further change the situation. That's all for today's breaking news update. Thank you for watching USA Breaking News. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest updates from the United States and around the world. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next report.